And welcome back to the A Sports Radio at 107.9 FM, 1300 AM. Joining us live in the John L. Scott studio, it is North Medford football head coach Nathan Chin. Coach, how are you?
Good. How are you guys doing?
Doing great, Coach. Last year, 7-3, great season, 6-1 in league play. Do you think the success will kind of carry over? Is there a key to maybe, after having such a great season, not being so complacent? Do you have to kind of continue to remind the kids that they have to get better? And
yeah,
how does that go?
I mean, that's kind of what our program is kind of built on, is continuous improvement, right? It's trying to push each other, trying to push each group and what we kind of label as the standard. Like, that standard has been set many years by many other people well before us, and it's really important for us, and we try to really get to our kids to understand that they have to uphold and raise that standard every single year that they're part of it.
But are we going to keep it pro chill? 2, 3, watch! Go back, yeah.